Picture this: a warm breeze, the scent of burning wood, and the anticipation of a perfectly cooked, wood-fired pizza. If you've ever wanted to recreate that authentic pizza parlor experience in your own outdoor kitchen, then the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Perforated Pizza Peel is the key to making that dream a reality. In this in-depth review, we'll delve into every aspect of this premium pizza peel, and why it's a game-changer for pizza lovers and outdoor cooking enthusiasts alike. What sets the Ninja Woodfire Pizza Peel apart is its ingenious perforated design. Crafted with precision, the perforated aluminum metal surface serves a crucial role in ensuring your pizza dough doesn't stick. This feature means you can confidently slide your perfectly crafted pizza onto the hot pizza stone or wood-fired oven without any mishaps. No more frustration with dough sticking to your peel and ruining your pizza masterpiece. With the Ninja Woodfire Pizza Peel, every pizza transfer is a breeze, guaranteeing a consistent and satisfying pizza-making experience. Whether you're a seasoned pizzaiolo or a pizza novice, the Ninja Woodfire Pizza Peel's balanced weight and thoughtful design make it a joy to use. The lightweight yet sturdy construction allows you to effortlessly lift and maneuver your pizzas in and out of the oven. This means you have complete control over your pizza's destiny, ensuring that it receives the perfect amount of wood-fired love for that unbeatable flavor and texture. Crafted for outdoor cooking adventures, this pizza peel is built to last. Its high-grade aluminum base not only provides sturdiness but also boasts rust-resistant properties, making it a reliable companion for year-round outdoor pizza-making sessions. Whether you're battling the elements or simply want a dependable tool in your outdoor kitchen, the Ninja Woodfire Pizza Peel is up to the task. It can handle the rigors of outdoor cooking without missing a beat. Convenience is a hallmark of great kitchen tools, and the Ninja Woodfire Pizza Peel delivers. The end loop is more than just a handy feature, it's a game changer when it comes to storage. Easily hang your pizza peel on a hook or a designated spot in your outdoor kitchen. This quick access ensures that your pizza peel is always within arm's reach, ready to help you create wood-fired pizza magic whenever the craving strikes. Getting started with your Ninja Woodfire Pizza Peel is a cinch. Unbox it, and you'll find 3 included screws. With minimal effort, you'll have your pizza peel assembled and ready for action in no time. There's no complicated setup or tools required, so you can focus on what you do best, crafting amazing wood-fired pizzas. When you invest in the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Perforated Pizza Peel, you're not just getting a pizza peel, you're getting the key to unlocking outdoor pizza perfection. Your package includes 1 premium pizza peel, measuring the ideal size for pizzas destined for wood-fired greatness. In conclusion, the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Perforated Pizza Peel is a must-have tool for anyone who is passionate about outdoor cooking and wants to create authentic, wood-fired pizzas. With its innovative perforated design, effortless maneuverability, rugged durability, convenient end loop, quick assembly, and exceptional quality, it's a game changer in the world of outdoor pizza making. Say goodbye to dough disasters and hello to pizza perfection in your own backyard. Don't miss the opportunity to transform your outdoor cooking adventures with the Ninja Woodfire Pizza Peel. Click the link below to make it an essential part of your outdoor culinary toolkit.